Hello creative people, welcome back to the brand new video by Cms RABBY. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool place where you can get almost everything for any creative projects you are doing. Like you are a graphic designer, need some templates or mockups to present your design, or working as a video editor, need some motion graphics template. Envato Elements is the only place where you can get almost everything for a single membership. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Go to elements.envato.com and you will find the website. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. They have added more than 48,000 new items this week. Also, you will get full access of 2020 website where you will get more than 50 million additional photos. Now let's see the main attraction, pricing plans. A yearly subscription will cost you $16.5 per month. You will get full access and unlimited downloads from Envato Elements and 2020 website. You can pay through Visa, MasterCard and PayPal. Also, you can get subscription for both your team and enterprise. Just click on Start Now, give your information, select your plan and pay through your desired payment method. I'll suggest you to go with yearly subscription because this will save you 50%. You will get stock video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, presentation templates, photos, fonts, add-ons, web templates, Cms templates, Wordpress, and 3D objects on Envato Elements. So let's start exploring with the stock video. You will get more than 1 million 100% copyright free stock videos on Envato Elements. You can filter the result by categories, video resolution, frame rates, length, and properties. Now suppose you need some footage where people are dancing. Just search dance and you will get the result. Hover over the footage and see the preview. To download this video, you need to be a member of Envato Elements. All the footages are 100% royalty free. Click on download and select the project. Then it will start downloading automatically. Now let's see some food videos. There are a lot of categories and footages to look at, so give some time and explore the site. Now let's move on to the video templates. There are more than 23,000 video templates, including broadcast package, elements, infographics, logo strings, openers, product promo, titles, and video displays. Also, you can filter using the supported applications. Now let's explore the broadcast packages. All the templates pack are professional and easy to customize. You can download these templates easily. Give some time to explore the whole site to get the most value out of it. Let's see the infographics. Take your time to explore every category. Now let's move on to our next category, music. There are more than 57,000 100% royalty-free musics inside Envato Elements. Also, you will get a license for each and every music. Now let's find some cool music, then I'll show you how to get the license.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
You can use this music for any project, even in your YouTube videos. Give some time to get the best music for your video. After finding the perfect music for you, download with your project name. Then click on your profile and go to My Downloads. Here you will find the license for the music you have downloaded. You will get all the content ID, license code, and every information you will need if you face any copyright problem. Now let's check out the sound effects. There are more than 400,000 copyright-free sound effects including gaming sounds, transition and movement, domestic sounds, human sounds, urban, virtual, realistic, and so on. Let's check out some sound effects.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now let's move on to the graphic template. There are more than 85,000 premium quality graphic template with so many categories. You can also filter with the supported applications. Now suppose you need some flyer template, just search flyer and you will get all the flyers. Or you need some mockups, you will get almost everything here. Give some time to explore the site. It's not a small collection, so I'm not showing everything in this video. Take your time and find out what you need. Now let's check out our next category, graphics. There are more than 37,000 graphics on Envato Elements. Let's explore some illustration. Now let's see the presentation template. There are more than 41,000 presentation templates for Keynote, PowerPoint, and Google Slide. Let's explore the PowerPoint templates. Now let's move on to the biggest category of Envato elements. Yes, there are more than 1.4 million copyright-free photos inside Envato. Also, you will get full access of 2020 website where you will get more than 50 million plus additional photos. Give some time to explore the site. Let's move on to our next category, font. There are more than 10,000 fonts including serif, sans serif, script and decorative font. All the fonts are royalty free and you will get license for each and every fonts. Next we have add-ons in our list. You will get add-ons for Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, Figma and Sketch. Now let's see our next category, web templates. There are more than 2700 web templates inside Envato Elements. Let's see some email templates. You can live preview all the website and landing page. Now let's move on to our next category, CMS templates. Actually, I'm not a web developer, that's why I have little knowledge about this section. Next, you will find WordPress theme, plugins and templates. Last but not the least, we have 3D objects. There are more than 35,000 3D objects inside Envato Elements. You can render the 360 view to see from every angle. You can choose any angle to download the PNG or PSD file. So guys, you can understand that there are so many elements to look at. Also, you will get the membership for a small amount of money. So get your membership on Envato Elements and enjoy your unlimited downloads from today. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. And thank you Envato Elements for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.